YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. Brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. And guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Want to give you guys a real quick XRP update as well as we got some bullish news out of XRP. And maybe, possibly, could we have found a bottom? Possibly. Or does XRP need to see a little bit more of a correction? We'll get into all that, guys. But before we do, I just got to let you know I'm not a financial advisor, just your homie Crypto J. You know, you got to go out and speak to a financial advisor. This is not a place to get financial advice. We just talk about, again, things that are trending in crypto. And again, we got some stuff trending right now, as well as you guys could see Ripple over here trending in crypto over here on Twitter. We're going to get into that too. But as you guys could see, Ripple could be having a possible double bottom. And we talked about the fact that, again, guys, a lot of people bullish on this coin, million people following them over on CoinMarketCap. Their entire market cap today is down 1.34, coming in at 134 billion. But that's just to be as expected, guys. Usually we do see some sell-off into the weekend, and then sometimes we could see some price action early in the week. So that's kind of what I'm hoping for. I'd be interested to see what's going to happen. We do talk about a lot that fake outs do happen at the beginning of the week, and real price action I feel like happens on Thursday. That's just for what I kind of have seen from watching these charts from a long time. But it's not to say that that happens every single time. As you guys can see, though, 88% of people bullish on this coin, and that's at a 4,600 or 463,000 views. I'm sorry. And as you guys could see, a lot of people feeling good about XRP, feeling like we're gonna see some kind of a breakout pretty soon. And you know, it's pretty crazy, guys, when your CEO can just make a tweet and talking about, basically all he did was he made a tweet talking about the U.S. economy, how it's going to be in 2025, calling it Trump's bull market, pointing out an increase in jobs and stuff like that. So, you know, the fact that he did that just 5 hours ago and now it's trending over here on Twitter and, you know, getting a lot of shares, getting a lot of publicity, you could just see the space is talking about this. There's been 32,000 retweets and posts about this, and you guys could see they're talking about Michael Saylor about 42,000. So again, this was just done 4 hours ago. This is done 4 hours ago, but you could see what people are really talking about right now. I feel like people are really starting to talk about Ripple. A lot of big influencers, a lot of big people that have large platforms have been talking about Ripple. So I do think that this is a coin that, based off of that, based off of, you know, the amount of people that are talking about it, the amount of people they have following them, the amount of people that are just hearing about it, just every day, you know, as well as for what it is, you know, like look at these. This is like a lot of people that are getting their eyes on XRP. And it's again because these big influencers are talking about XRP like crazy, you know? So um, that could be an indicator that, again, this thing could stay trending on Twitter quite often if they keep wanting to do this. They keep talking about it. The community keeps standing behind the influencers and people that are talking about XRP. That could be really good for the price, you know, too. So, again, there's a lot of bullish factors for XRP. In my opinion, this thing is looking pretty cheap today at 137 billion market cap. Maybe I'm crazy, guys. I did give some pretty crazy price predictions of XRP. You gotta go check out my last video to see those price predictions. But again, I feel good about XRP, even on this dip. You know, a lot of people thinking that this is overbought. It might need to sell off more. Even if it sells off more, it's definitely a coin that I'm going to be buying. But, you know, it's looking pretty decent right now. Hopefully we can be breaking up out of some of these ranges. We're definitely looking like we want to retest this. We definitely have to also be careful, though, of some kind of shoulder head shoulder forming here. We still have some resistance up here as well around this 270. So we do have to be careful, some key ranges, but we definitely could have possibly seen, like I said at the beginning of the video, double bottom rate, possibly. So we'll see. Time will tell. But again, we've been looking at this play, right? This giant bull flag that's forming on the 1 year. Guys, I mean, we looked at Bitcoin, right? Look at this giant cup and handle pattern that's playing out on this all-time chart on XRP. I think this thing, you know, if it wants to run, it can really run fast. And I think it could run quick all the way up to, I think it could flip Ethereum pretty quick, honestly, to be honest with you, because the amount of money that could come into this to move it out of this cup and handle, it would have to be a lot of money. And I feel like this thing, the way this chart's looking, it looks like it can possibly have more upside. I'll just say that. I can't guarantee that this is going to break out, but again, how long did we watch Bitcoin when Bitcoin was looking similar, right? We were talking, and again, we were just talking about the XRP ETF and how the, look how the chart looks right now. Look at Bitcoin, right? Let's see Bitcoin. Bitcoin today is down a little bit. But if we look at our Bitcoin, we saw this cup and handle play out here, and look how much upside it had, like an insane amount. So again, this can this could be really bullish, right? Ever since Bitcoin ETF, we've really been like taking off, which is again what we've been covering and talking about on the channel. So it's really no surprise, guys. You got to be tapped in. You got to be paying attention. Hit the bell notification so that you guys can get notified every time I make videos. And also, guys, if you want to come join my free Telegram, it's free. I created it for you to benefit from, so you guys can connect, talk about crypto and stuff like that. It's not a place for financial advice. You always have to do your own research on everything that you hear in that group, guys. Also, I have a Patreon as well if you want to support the channel, as well as get that beginner training, that stuff that is going to get you from level 1 to level genius, right? Even if you're a skilled cryptocurrency person, I guarantee you there's a lot in there that you don't know and that you can benefit from learning. So check it out. And yeah, I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.